Today's January 7th, 2012. Today I'm going to show you this marble run me and my parents made. We used recycled stuff. Look here, dominoes, some cardboard tubes, bottles, and even some old toys we have. And cups and this lamp part. And anyways, we will show you it. It's just one push. It's gonna be very tricky. Right? I think it's something. Okay. Okay, here you go. Let's go in. Ooh, they always take so long. Oh, that's it. Liked it or not, it's very. Worked hard. We took us 2 days to make it, but thank you.
You did a great job.